To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Then navigate to the For You page if you are not already there. Now, open any video and let it play normally. Then, press and hold anywhere on the video screen for a few seconds. A pop-up menu will appear from the bottom of the screen, where you will see the Auto Scroll option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to enable the feature. That's it. From now on, TikTok will automatically scroll to the next video, so you won't need to swipe manually. The Auto Scroll feature lets you enjoy videos hands-free, making your scrolling experience smoother and more convenient. If you want to turn it off later, simply press and hold the screen again. Then tap the toggle switch next to Auto Scroll again. So that's how you can use the Auto Scroll feature in TikTok.